What happens if you don't drain your water heater, you're gonna end up with sediment. Sediment is essentially all this stuff at the bottom of your tank. It's just hard water, minerals, especially here in Arizona. We have horrible water, really hard water that cake up over time. This one probably has about 1.5 inches of sediment. It's gonna sit there, and since the water flow isn't going through the sediment, it's gonna create it so it's a lot easier for it to start rusting. For a year, depending on the state, it'll basically create 1/2 inch of sediment. So if you imagine you have a water heater for 6 years, you're gonna end up with 3 inches of sediment.